Hi guys, April 6th weekly Stress Awareness Month. We're going to try to let the computer read it to you. If it's slow, I'll take over.
News to you. April 6, 2020. Stress Awareness Month. April is National Stress Awareness Month in the U.S. People can learn about stress during this month. Everyone feels stress sometimes. You may feel stress when you are worried.
Stress is a big part of life. Right now, y'all might be stressed out with online learning or not being able to go anywhere or not being able to go to school. So let's see what the weekly says.
Many things at school or home can cause stress. Changes at school and home can cause stress. Changes to your schedule can cause stress. Homework and tests can cause stress too. Trying new things can cause stress.
So we're doing a lot of that stuff. So you definitely could be feeling a little stressed out. We've had changes at home and school because now school is at home. Your schedule is probably a lot different than it normally is, and trying to figure out how to work Canvas to get all your work done is probably very difficult. So it's okay if you're stressed.
Stress can change your feelings. You may feel sad, mad, frustrated, nervous, lonely, or scared. You may feel less happy or less excited.
So you can have lots of different feelings when you're stressed. You could be really sad and down in the dumps or angry. You could be nervous about what's going on and why is it happening.
Stress can change your body too. Stress can give you a headache or stomach ache. You may not sleep well when you feel stress. You may eat less food, or you may eat more food.
So when you're stressed, a lot of times you really don't feel well. Your stomach can hurt, your head can hurt. You can feel like there's something wrong, but you don't know what it is. A lot of people don't sleep very well when they're stressed. And then some others, they sleep a whole lot more. It just depends on your body, but you can definitely feel it in your body when you're stressed.
You can do activities to feel less stress. You can exercise. You can get better sleep. You can eat healthy foods. You can do something that makes you happy.
So every day, if you get up and get some exercise done, whether it's inside or outside, that can help you feel less stressed out. And eating healthier foods also helps your body not feel as stressed. And you can also do things that make you happy. Draw a picture, play a video game, talk to your parents, and that can help you feel less stressed as well.
Other people can help you feel less stress. You can talk to someone about stress. You can talk to a friend, parent, teacher, or school counselor. A school counselor works in a school.
So if you're stressed, talk to somebody. It can be a parent, it can be a friend, it can be me, it could be my it could be the school counselors. And if you need to talk to the school counselors, they are working, so you can let us know and we'll get you set up with them.
You can talk to a counselor about stress. A counselor can help you feel less stress. You can talk to a counselor about your feelings. A counselor can give you ideas to feel better. Does your school have a counselor?
Our school has 2 counselors.
April is National Stress Awareness Month. Everyone feels stressed sometimes. You can do activities to feel less stress. Other people can help you too. What do you do when you feel stressed?
What do you do when you feel stressed? I like to bake and I like to play with my kiddos. Okay, the person in the news is a school counselor. A school counselor works in a school. A school counselor usually has an office in a school. A school counselor helps students. A counselor talks to the students about stress, classes, jobs, colleges, and more. The place in the news is the school. A school counselor works in a school. Teachers teach students in a school. Cities may have many schools. Cities may have preschools, elementary schools, middle schools, high schools, and colleges. If you guys have the ingredients, you can make the less stress smoothie or talk to your parents about another smoothie option that you might have all the ingredients for. This one takes half a cup of orange juice, a cup of orange sherbet, 2 peeled and sliced bananas, a can of sliced peaches that are drained, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and a blender. You put everything in the blender and you blend it until smooth, and then you drink it. Knock, knock. Who's there? Feel. Feel who? Fill your cup up with a smoothie. Sometimes these jokes are horrible. I have a joke. Tell me, why is my math book sad? I don't know why. It has too many problems. Anyway, log on to the PowerPoint and make sure you do your work for the weekly. Have a great day.